Ingoliza Ma TV amu enang ena.
I was born in Crater.
Crater?
Crater.
Ngorongoro?
Ngorongoro Crater, and part of Ngorongoro Crater they have names also, of Maasai names of some hills there. And Ngitat Hill. We have Round Table.
Ingoliza Ma TV amu enang ena.
So all rim of crater they have names and the mean south. And on top there in the crater is Korongoro, meaning a cow bell, because many cattle are going to lick salt there. I'll make your bell Korongoro.
What is the meaning of market?
A market meaning alkali. And it's to be magadi. A market.
Your market.
A market, elders people they're using mature tobacco. A market. And that's there are a lot of salt there, market.
How much do you pay?
That's the meaning of market, like. So also Lerai. Forest Lerai.
Yeah, forest.
It's a yellow back acacia.
Oh, Lerai means yellow back. That is not of rare.
Yeah, that's trees there.
Okay.
So everything mean and all names from the Maasai tribe culture. That's not the old names from the Maasai. Oldupai, I think you know the Oldupai.
Yes, I know Oldupai.
Oldupai, there's some plants are growing there.
Well, it's also.
Yeah. And also it's Ndulen, also the plants are growing there. Seneto Road.
Yes.
This plant we call Seneto. Maasai using like a medicine for vomiting.
Okay.
Kwa hiyo kila sehemu ina jina lake. Let's go to say Barbal. Nisema Ibali because sometimes the river passing through with water there and the rain season time, but some will come dry. Kwa hiyo just to have no spring water, make it permanent for drinking water. The Barbal. That's the meaning.
Okay.
So that about Ngorongoro is not a meaning.
And what about
Makarot?
Macau is.
No, Macau. The name are given by only Sabulu second conservator. I can say Macau. Any sehemu ambayo imejengwa upya. Macau is not Maasai name.
It's not a Maasai name.
No, Macau, Maasai no Macau. Macau is Maasai name.
Yes.
Mandusi means some plants are growing, but nowadays when you drop out the crater, a lot of changes because all can make you survive. Because that time when you are Mandusi, some plants growing there in Mandusi. Because myself I born there.
You're born there?
I born there in Mandus near the Ngitati Hill. You know Ngitati?
Ngitati, yes.
Ngitati, the place I was born myself. 1948.
Translation for what?
Ngitati Hill is a belt, you know, a belt.
A belt
woman.
is a
belt of woman.
Of woman.
For the woman, when they have a pregnant, they must have a belt tied at the belly.
Okay.
You don't drop the any kind of.
Ingoliza Ma TV amu enang ena.
Mheshimiwa na wakuu wengine na wenzangu wote walikuwa katika hall hii. Kweli mimi ni Masai, lakini really I can talk English because I speak English more than Swahili. Really myself, I'm a son of a Maasai. That's born in the crater, Ngorongoro crater. I born in 1948 in crater. I grew up there until now I'm elder. I've been in the United States because of tourism people. Because when I was living down the crater, there is a many research people coming down the crater and I came to there. So that when I was in the crater, I was guide them about the animals of crater. So that after finish researches, because I stayed with them about 2 years down there in the crater. They took me to the United States. I stayed in Oregon a year with my girlfriend. So now when you saw me, I didn't go to school. I collect up. I picked up from American people. I had a kid there. And really, I'm really like a guide. because I start with tourism people, starting 1962. Until now, I will stay with them anytime because I'm staying a rim of prayer. So that's why I'm like a guide. But I did not declare anywhere. But I stay with people of NC. All concerned of Ngorongoro, when they come to Ngorongoro, they find me to guide, I guide them. Because I'm the person who is best born down there. And really, in Ngorongoro, really we stay with the animals. But really, natural animals we have, you know, elephant have a baby, to care a baby. It's very dangerous, child. And the bulls, those bulls are being chasing out with the others in the group. They come very angry and charging. That's why myself I have a bad leg, because I've been injured by the elephant. The big bull who is chasing with the others in the group, because they go charging. And really, they break my leg, but I stay in the hospital about 3 years because of my leg. It's stuck in my leg. It's in my leg. So that's why I speak English. I picked up at elementary school. I'm really a professional guy in Ngorongoro because everybody coming there and they find me to guide him. Because I know all places in Kwara, and the Serengeti, even more cottages, and all places there, all places of a map of Ngorongoro I know. That's people, I like me in time to guide them, and I picked up English for that. Welcome together all. Oh, Pharaoh. You know, really, Pharaoh, rhinoceros, is really important animals. Because you know, Maasai sometimes they're not killing rhinoceros. They said when they have the liver real. When you kill a rhinoceros, like you kill your wife. Because you know, rhinoceros have good romance like a human being. Oh, more than human being. Very fantastic. Because when they are real, rhinoceros have romance, maybe 45 minutes, and top up. 40 minutes and up and drop down. When you drop down, so it must chase the bull run and 5 times.
Ita darasa lolote, lakini umesikia kihaya chake hicho, anapiga kihaya ile mbaya.
Ingoreza Ma TV amu enang ena.